Hello, today we will cover various functions of multiple plan, which belongs to the last group of point mode. Multiple plan is a function that allows you to batch place multiple types of panels based on the specified section coordinates. Checking the menu configuration, you can see the items corresponding to wall part at the top. And below that, it is composed of kicker part, beam part, and slab down part. When you specify a menu, it asks for coordinate designation. First, specify the starting point of the placement section, and then specify the ending point. Specify the opposite attack point to place panels on the opposite attack line at the same time. After specifying the coordinates, a dialog is displayed on the screen, which looks somewhat different from the item placement dialog. The top list displays confirmed material codes for each panel type. Click Wall, Rocker, or Item to show all applicable codes in the bottom list. Double-click the desired code in the bottom list to apply it to the top list. Selecting a confirmed code displays optimized additional input information on the right. Checking the wall structure at the start and end points on the floor plan shows both are in corner sections. Click the left in corner icon to change the corner size to 150, and the same for the right. After checking the height configuration, press the Plan button to perform multiple placements. Placement is complete. Checking the placement results shows in corner panel 150 installed on both sides. The remaining sections have wall panels placed. Click the Cancel button to return to before the placement, and this time, let's place panels on only one side of the AL wall from the left. After entering the command, specify the start and end points, and this time, key in S. Then, specify the placement direction of the panel to place panels in only one direction. Under these conditions, it seems more effective to place inclino panels on the left and general panels on the right. The end panel is calculated as 160. Considering the shear wall thickness, the panel length, only 60. Adjust it. In this case, first, you need to be able to change the 600 right in front. To change the 600, click the -1 button. The 600 panel at the end should be taken and displayed on the end panel side. Now the rest. Modifying panel 160 automatically calculates the car length and changes the end panel length. This allows you to configure panels in the order of 600 panels, followed by 500 and 260. Click the Plan button to check the placement results. In corner 150 is placed from the starting point. Panels are configured in the order of 600s, 500, and 260. As shown in the video, use the panel mirror function to mirror 3 panels inward. Then, processing the remaining in corner section allows for more flexible panel placement in that section. Cancel the command and execute section placement to examine the controls configured in the dialog in more detail. Total length displays the distance between the entered start point and the second point. Click the In Corner button to display the In Corner size 150 registered in the project settings, and it will be automatically divided. After modifying the standard division length 600 to 500, you can reconfigure the panel based on 500 by pressing the Divide button. If you enter 450 in Start, the length is inserted at the front, and the remaining length is redivided. In this case, since the end falls to 260, press the -1 button to move the 500 in front to the end. Then, if you change the end to 310, the panel length at the front of the end is automatically adjusted. As a result, the panels are configured in the order of 450, 500, 450, and 310 as displayed in the list. If necessary, you can freely change the order using the Move function. Select 310, then click the arrow on the far left to move 310 to the front. Conversely, click the rightmost arrow to move the selection to the very end. You can also move it freely left or right one space at a time by clicking the single space move arrows. Finally, arrange the panel in the order of 450, 500, 450, and 310 for the section. As a result of the arrangement, you can see that it starts with in corner 150, and is arranged as 450, 500, 450, 310, and in corner 150. Cancel the arrangement and re-execute the command to see if there are any additions. There is a gap button right below the In Corner button. Clicking this button sets it to 150, the same as in the In Corner icon. If you give the In Corner spacing with the gap button and then do the plan, this time the In Corner panel is not placed, but instead only a gap of 150 is created. Gap button is a function that allows you to create margins without corner panel. The second command is a function to place multiple wall panels in the upstand beam section. We will apply the function to this balcony. The balcony upstand is too low, so we will adjust the height and continue. We will adjust the balcony upstand height to 1200 using the edit shell command. Let's place wall panels inside the balcony. 3. Specify the multiple planar wall upstand menu and then specify the section coordinates. 3. Press the ESC key at the third point input to specify the panel placement direction. Let's use the gap function to create a margin of 300 from both ends to create a plan. Due to unclear elevation and panel height, recalculate elevation and height using the select element function. Since the panel configuration of the general wall section and the panel configuration of the balcony section are different, they were divided into two commands. And this part Next, let's continue placing panels in the external wall section. The two menus starting with Ext are commands used only for external walls, so they directly require input of the panel placement direction, external, without requiring the opposite retaining wall point input. After entering the coordinates in the order of start point, end point, and panel placement direction, a dialog box will appear on the screen. If you check the material list, only items that can be used externally are selectively displayed. Let's place AL panel with a 500/260 configuration automatically set without corner margin. Since this section must ride on top of the kicker panel, the echo calculation is set to 50. This time, let's place wall panels multiple times on the outside of the balcony. Place a 1.5 cm. Place a 2.5 cm. Place a 4.5 cm. We explored how to batch deploy materials corresponding to wall part in section units. And we will continue to cover the remaining functions in the next video. Good job today. See you again in the next video.